Alright guys, very quick one. I'm going to show you this powerful strategy that I and my VIPs just used to make a lot of money from the crash 1000 market right now. So I was supposed to do this video a little earlier, but I got carried away. I was busy trying to give the VIPs profitable signals, right? So I was looking at the charts and I forgot to start this video. So right now I just need you guys to just stay put, watch till the end, subscribe to this channel if you have not done that before. I'm going to be dropping the description of our VIP, our Telegram group, our my direct number on WhatsApp. I'm going to drop the link on the description of this video so you can chat me up if you have been having challenges or if you have testimonies to share, because a lot of people share a lot of testimonies and I really enjoy to see them. All right, so I'll show you how this powerful strategy works. All right, as you can see, we are running a trade right now and we smashed our first TP. All right, this is happening right now. We smashed our first TP and we're waiting to smash the second so we can make out a lot of profits, guys. All right, so join us here, join us here, join us here. This is our ongoing trade. All right, join us here and make money with us, win with us. The theme is VIP winning and we're even on promotions right now. All right, we're giving 50% discount. It ends today, guys, so just hurry up and be a part of this, guys. So this is not the reason I'm making this video. I'm just trying to motivate you guys is to know that Forex actually pays. All right, people who think Forex don't pay, it's a lie. Forex pays if you know your onions, if you know what you're doing. All right, so let's go back to it quickly. Okay, I was going to tell you guys we share a lot of lessons here too. We teach, you know, the newbies things they should know. All right, so just join us. I'm going to drop the link on the description of the video, guys. So yeah, but let's get back to it. As you can see, we are running a trade, profitable trade. All right, the VIPs are winning. We are all winning. Everyone is happy. All right, so I'm going to quickly go to showing you the indicators we'll be using for this strategy, and it's just this relative strength index. Period 8 apply to close styles 3 pixel. You can use any color of your choice. See the levels 70, 30, 90, 10. All right, so just click done when you're done with that, and then add the next one, the moving average. Period 25, shift 0 method, simple, apply to close styles. You can see is just make sure you put colors that are visible on your screen, and also choose a pixel that would be bold enough on your screen so you can see them, right? Okay, so before we use any form of indicator, any kind of indicator for our strategies to analyze the market, all right, we usually apply price action. It's very key. Like I always say, it's very key to have a fair knowledge of price action. All right, because price action teaches you what happens in the market long before the indicators are aware of what is going on. All right, sometimes the indicators are actually right on time, but sometimes they are not on time. So price action allows you to see the market with your naked eyes. All right, you can tell what is likely to happen next based on past price history, right? So that's one thing that will make you profitable. You need to be able to learn, you need to be ready to learn to become a pro by yourself, to remain consistently profitable in this business, guys. It's very key. So if you want to join our mentorship program, you can just chat me up. It's very affordable. We are giving discount right now, and you get to learn everything price action, everything technical analysis. You can analyze any market, crypto, any market at all, guys. So right, this strategy, before we go to using the indicators to further confirm our entry, before we make a decision, before we enter though, yep, I need us to always look at the higher time frame, see what's going on in the market, see the market direction. All right, identify our key zones of interest, our key areas of interest, our key areas of value, whatever you call it. All right, that's a support and resistance. I don't know what you use to identify yours. I use horizontal lines, I use Fibonacci levels, I use just anyone that that is at my disposal at the time. So I don't know which one works for you, so you just make sure that you are able to tell the market direction. This is crash 1000 strategy right now. We want to be catching spikes. I want to show you how to catch. You can see multiple spikes right here. You can see how many spikes we've caught. All right, you can see how many spikes we've got. The VIPs are winning. You're waiting to take profit on our second level, right? You can see here we just hit our first TP. All right, we just hit our first TP, so we're waiting for the next one and we out. All right, so how do you confidently tell that the market is going to continue spiking until you hit your TP? Is price action. If you know price action very well, then you are good to go, guys. So you want to go to a higher time frame to see the market direction. You want to see series of lower lows and lower highs and lower lows and lower highs and all of that. That tells you that the market is in a downtrend. So you want to go to your area of interest to wait for candlesticks to tell you whatever thing they tell you to make a trading decision, right? So you go to you wait for price to get to your area of interest. That's your support, your resistance. All right, when price is at your area, remember you're not supposed to chase the market. You wait for the market to come to you. That's why patience is key in this business, guys. So price is at your level. You've seen candlestick patterns that you recognize. You've seen rejections. You've seen all of that. You know that it is about, like, if you are good with price action, you will definitely tell that this thing is about to spike. It's going to spike. All right, so you now go to your indicators on the lower time frame. You see price, before I took this trade here, price came to this level. All right, price came to the level here, the 90 level here, and then what happened next was a spike. Guys. On the higher time frame, if you go to a higher time frame, you'll see that if you actually follow these principles, guys, you'll notice that at the time of this spike, when the spike started, when this indicator, your moving average, was at this level, you'll notice that on the higher time frame, price was at that level. All right, and then spikes started coming in from that level, guys, after you've seen your candlestick print some patterns that you recognize and all of that. This is why you need to know price action, guys. Price action teaches you candlestick patterns, chart patterns, and all of that. You combine all of these things to make a trading decision, guys. This is what makes me profitable, guys. This is what makes me make a lot of money out of the market every single time I get in the market, guys. I barely take a loss, guys. I'm not saying I don't lose, right? But since I know what I'm doing, my losses are always few. Like, I go straight months, I go almost 2 months without seeing up to like 10 losses. You know what that means, guys. It's just fair knowledge of price action, guys. It's just fair knowledge of price action. That is why my VIPs are winning. Everybody's happy. Everybody's longing to be my VIP. Everybody knows that this guy is good with this stuff. So you too can be good if you follow these principles. It's just very simple, guys. So you can see, let me show you more examples where all of that happens. All right, you can see. Okay, good. You can see price was at this level and it started crashing. You can see it was at my trend line level here. All right, and then it was around my trend line here, and then it started crashing. You go to a higher time frame, you see other confirmations too. All right, so make sure you understand what I just said. Follow it up judiciously, religiously. Make sure you follow it up religiously, guys. Make sure you are faithful about this one. Don't ever lie to yourself. Don't try to force the market. All right, don't try to force the market. It's very wrong to try to force things to work the way you want them to work. All right, just look at the market, tell yourself this is where the zones are, and wait for price to come to that level, and then wait for your indicators to do exactly what you know should happen before you take a trade. Don't you ever rush, guys. So this happens exactly the opposite way for boom. All right, you want to catch spikes on boom 1000, boom 500, boom 300, whatever boom pair you want to catch spikes on. You want to see the market on a higher time frame. You want to see the market on a bullish trend, guys. You want to see the market going to the upside. You want to see a series of higher highs and higher lows and higher highs and higher lows. You want to identify your market direction. All right, you want to identify your market direction. You want to you want to identify your areas of interest, your support and resistance. All right, those are places where reversals are likely to happen. They happen from those places in the long term. All right, if you look back on your charts, all right, you notice that price is always reversing from that point. All right, you also need to note that if price reverses from a particular point for way too many times in a short period of time, it is likely to be broken. So you want to take note of all of these stuffs, and then take a trade after all your confirmations, and you'll make a lot of money for yourself, guys. You can make as much as $300-$400 a day if you want to, if you sit down and work. All right, this is just you knowing your onions, and you make money, guys. Nobody is bossing you around if you know these things, right? So practice this, make sure it works for you, and make sure Of course, make sure it works perfectly before you get to apply it on your real account. All right, I'm going to be dropping like I said earlier, I'll drop the link to our Telegram group so you join us and see how we're doing. Join us and do what we're doing and make money for yourself. All right. I'm going to also drop my direct WhatsApp number so you can chat me up if you have any challenges. Chat me up if you want to join a mentorship program. Chat me up if you want to join a VIP. You make a lot of money for yourself, guys. I need you to just do something, guys. Don't sit down and just watch. Just do something. Just do something, guys. All right. Love you guys. I'll see you guys on another video.